back in Jalenstoybox. Today we're gonna draw a kitten folding surprise. Now grab your pencil, your markers, and your crayons, a paper, and eraser. This is appropriate for all ages. Now let's have your creativity all the way up! Here's what you will need for this project. A piece of paper, a pencil, an eraser, a black marker or pencil crayon for the outlining, and some color markers or crayons to add a splash of color at the end. First, we're going to fold our paper. Start by folding your paper in half lengthwise. Then fold it again, but only crease it lightly in the middle to mark it. Unfold the paper back to the original half fold. This will help us later when we create the surprise effect. Now keep your paper folded in half. We'll start by drawing the kitten on the top half of the folded paper. Begin with the head by drawing a large circle near the top center. Add 2 triangles on top for the ears, and don't forget to draw 2 smaller triangles inside for the inner ears. Next, draw 2 large oval eyes inside the circle and fill them in. Leave a small white spot for the sparkle. Add a small triangle for the nose and a W shape right below it for the mouth. Finally, add some whiskers on both sides. Now for the body. Draw 2 curved lines down from the head to create the sides of the body. Add 2 smaller curved lines for the front legs and some paws at the bottom. Here comes the fun part. In the middle section between the kitten's head and the present, draw the kitten's body. Start by extending the kitten's front legs down and add a round belly. Draw the back legs and a little tail peeking out from the side of the box. Now, let's draw the present. Starting just below the kitten paws, draw a horizontal line across the paper. This will be the top of the present. Draw 2 vertical lines down from each end of the horizontal line to form the sides of the box. Then connect these 2 lines with another horizontal line at the bottom. Don't forget to add a big bow on top of the box to make it look festive. Next, let's outline everything with black marker or pencil crayons. This will make our drawing stand out and give it a polished look. Now, it's time to add some color. I'm going to use crayons to color my kitten and my present. You can choose any colors you like. Make your kitten unique and festive. Here's the final result. A cute kitten popping out of a present with a hidden surprise when you unfold the paper. I hope you have fun drawing with me today. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please remember to like and sub to my channel